Hello guys! In this video you will learn how to block someone's account on TikTok. Make sure you watch the video till end so you can understand each and every step. Let's start the video. Open your TikTok. Open the account which you want to block. For example, I want to block this account. For this you have to tap on the arrow share icon on the right top corner of the page. A screen like this will open. Here you have to tap on block option given after report. Then it will ask you for the confirmation. In this way you can block an account on TikTok. So if this video helps you, then please subscribe our channel. And don't forget to press the bell button for more informative content. Thanks for watching this video.